We regularly get asked whether the Etac Pro will go into a car. So we're going to demonstrate how we put it in a Mini. Firstly, using the thumb screws, we just undo the bottom bolts, which slides out the column. And once that's folded up, we put it into the boot, put the nuts down, and away we go. So to unpack the Raiser Pro, it's just the reverse. You take the base from the car, you'll put the column into the base plate, and with the thumb screws, you'll just tighten in the column. And that is about it. So if you'd like any further advice about the Etac Raiser Pro, please don't hesitate to contact us.